Top of the morning, y'all. 现在我们去哪里？是豆腐什么？豆腐花？哎，用豆腐花。We're going to eat Yong Tau Fu. I will show what it is. I think I had it before, but then I forgot how it looks like that. So yeah, let's go have some breakfast. So the Yong Tau Fu place is not open, so we ended up eating here. Sapa chili pan mee. Yeah, that's cool. I'm a big fan of pan mee, so let's go. Chili flakes ah. Is it nice? Not really that spicy as I thought it would be. But it's called chili pan mee, it's supposed to be quite spicy, but then I don't know, because for me, I would like my pan mee to be spicy. Flavor is good, it's okay. I'll give it overall like 3 out of 5 stars. Yeah, this is not mine actually. I ordered another one. That one will be definitely the spiciest among the others, so we'll see how it goes. So what we have here is Sichuan pan mee. In Chinese it's called Sichuan pan mian. Okay, Sichuan 麻辣板面哈，是吗? It's just spicy. It's just pretty spicy. Okay, let's mix up the paste first. Okay, first bite.
Okay, you can take it.
This is exactly what I usually order. Because in all pan mee places, shops, they usually have like a mala pan mee. So this one's actually really good. Of all the mala pan mee that I tasted, this one is actually really good. Not joking. Yeah, the spiciness level is like not over the top, but then it's just okay. I think this is the spiciest one in the shop. So yeah, I gotta enjoy my noodle, and then I'll see you guys later. OK， 然后就是真的有点那种，
是，就是那种 cake 来的吗？
你尝一下，
我看它里面，
对呀，
不错不错，
来来来，
我问你好吃吗？
不错
好吃，好吃就好。
有榴莲味道就一定好吃。
你看这个是
So we're here to look for some gears for the hiking trip. Probably gonna get the shoes that my uncle suggested, but looks expensive though. So now you guys know hiking up the mountain is not cheap at all, right, mommy?
Yeah.
But okay lah. At least like I fit. At least I worked before I got my payment before I go on the trip, so at least I have a few cash to be able to spend on this trip. Okay, and good thing that my mom has like a few what do you call that? winter stuff.
Backup.
Yeah, backup gears. Not backup lah, some gears lah. Or she has already, so I can borrow lah. Yeah. So,
Colombia.
Colombia. Ain't not sponsored lah. Yeah, so a little tip for you guys if you guys are planning to go hiking, find some friends or like family who has like already has like some sort of like a hiking gear, and then get your own get some additional gears if you don't have them lah. Yeah, so you save a lot of money, like a whole lot of money, because sometimes people only climb once ma. Yeah, you can see lah, find those friends who only climb the mountain once, and then just leave their gears at home like that. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna walk around Zhiyun, look for auntie. Got the gears, cost around 400. Yeah. Okay, everything. I got like a walking stick, some socks, 3 items, right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 items. Walking stick, hydrogen bag, socks. We have how many things left?
With
2 more, right? The gloves, shoes, and the pants. So 3 more things. I would estimate around 800, 600 plus. Hopefully you can get something around 600. So there will be Jun in my budget, because my budget is 1,000. Yeah, so hopefully we can stick with the budget. Okay. So where are we going right now? Oh, here. Got some. Yeah. So got some gloves. Got a beanie. Not a pretty beanie. I was hoping to look for a pretty beanie. But then no pun intended. But then yeah, you work with what you have, and it's quite cheap. So now we're heading back to City Mall to get shoes. We can't really find any shoes here, but I go for hiking, climbing. So yeah. What are those? So I got the pants. So we got the water resistant pants and the shoes. Everything's 700 plus. Oh my gosh. It almost cost. Huh?
First expensive shoes on his birthday month.
Oh yeah. But oh yeah,
It's
so
like-
it's my birthday month, so it's okay lah, right?
It's like your birthday gift.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so actually it's cheaper than I thought it would be. I almost got the 800 one, which got after discount it's like around 600, and this one is like 500, so I saved around 100 lah. Yeah. So overall, after spending in the whole day, I spent around how much? Around 1,100 lah. 1,100, and then yeah, my thoughts are it's okay lah. Like I mean, I would spend that much for like camera gear, so for these like for safety reasons and for like it's quite long-term use. I can use it for some other adventures as well. So yeah, it's okay. It's a very good investment, I would say. So I will be going back home. We go back home and see if we needed something more, so like some snacks or whatsoever that's missing, and then probably buy more stuff tomorrow. Yeah, see how. So these are the things that I basically bought. Oh my gosh, man. Not this though. I got this from my uncle. So yeah, save money, yo. So I'm just gonna go through with you like basically how much everything costs us. These are the gloves. I got 2 pairs because it's quite cheap. So my mom suggested me to get 2 pairs just in case one fails on me. So one of them it costs 50 ringgit. Okay, much better. So I got the beanie, not a pretty beanie. I got it for 20 ringgit. So 35 over here. Then I got the socks. This is like it's actually for like hiking socks. It's not like any normal socks. They have like an extra like cushion right here. I bought this because like I have a lot of people telling me that when you're going down from the mountain, you tend to use your what do you call this part? Front part of your feet when you are on the way down from the mountain. And I have my own experience, so that's why I got myself these pair of socks, and it costs 79, which is 80 ringgit. So these are like, I call them hydro bags. It's like bags for you to fill in like water, and then you can drink it out of the straws right here. But I don't think I'll be using the bag. I'm just gonna take out the water filling thingy. I don't know what you call this, the water pack. So this thing costs 121. I got the 1.5 liters. They have like 2.5, 2 liters. There are a few different volumes, few different choices to choose from, but then I chose this one because it's the smallest one, and I think this will be the lightest one. I'm gonna take out the pack and then put it on my boundary backpack that I haven't reviewed for a long time. I'm probably gonna do a review about the backpack. Okay, move on to the expensive shit. So this one, the walking stick. I don't know what's wrong with my Osmo Action. They somehow took a photo. I think some voice comment triggers it. That's weird. Okay. Anyways, this is the lightest one in the shop. That's what the staff said. This one was 200 ringgit for this stick. But yeah, it feels solid. I think this is carbon fiber. Not sure. I don't know. But yeah, it's really lightweight and then quite robust. Not sure how they remove this thing though, but then yeah, cool. 200. And then this thing, okay, so this is actually not necessary, but then it looks cool, and then I have like a lot of uses for this. It's actually a water resistant pants, so like there's a lot of features, so it's quite stretchable. I wear this in the shop, I try it out, and then I'm loving it. It's like wearing jeans, but then you can stretch them, you can do exercise with them, so it's quite cool. It's quite long for me because I am short. And then this one causes around, cannot believe it, this one causes 293 after the discount. 293, I would say 290. 300 for this. I'm not sure if it's overkill, but then I will tell you how it felt after the trip. And this is the beast among them all. This one is the most expensive one of all. This causes 467. 467. So I took this out for a spin around town, just walking around, and it's really comfy, really comfortable. But I'm not sure how will it work when I'm climbing up the mountain and stuff. But then yeah, the grip feels cool, and then the thing that I won't be worrying about is getting this wet. So, and then this one as well. This one pairs well with this because both of these are waterproof. This won't get wet, which is cool. And I always get wet. Okay, so the socks are claimed to be water resistant as well, or is it quick dry? I'm not sure. It says here keeps feet dry right here, but then I think it's inside. It's like you won't sweat inside, I guess. I'm not sure, but then yeah, this will keep you dry is what it's claimed to be to do. Okay, so all of these gears, I don't think it's enough. Because some of them I borrowed from my mom, like the what do you call that, the windbreaker. So all of these like adds up. I would say to add up into like around 2,000 for just a hiking trip, for just a one round trip to the mountain and then down. Costs around 2,000 ringgit. Not including the entrance fee, fees and whatnot. What I'm trying to say in this video is that you don't really have to spend that much money as I do. For me, safety is my number one priority. You definitely can get something cheaper, like the walking stick, like the shoes. You can get all these for a cheaper price, but then you have to prepare them earlier. Because for me, I've been working all this while before my hiking trip, so I don't really have time to shop. Don't really have time to go and survey all of the prices, look up online or whatsoever. So I do whatever I can do. So I got whatever I can get my hands on. So yeah, I don't want the hassle of like looking for a cheaper price, and sometimes cheap price doesn't mean good quality, and then sometimes good price doesn't mean good quality as well. But then the odds are good price always have like good quality. All of these, if I added up everything, then I bought everything it causes me almost 1,200 ringgit today, just for all of these. 1,200. Like if I added 400 more, I could basically get myself another Osmo Action. But then I got myself like a lot of things out of the money that I spent. I can say I'm not sure how does it, like I said earlier, not sure how does all of these gears work. Like, will they work perfectly as they claim they can? I will only know when the time comes for me to actually use them on the mountain. So I'll probably do an update video about all of these gears, like to let you guys know what works and what doesn't, and then what should you get and what should you not get for your trip if you're thinking of climbing up the mountains like I do. So I'm not a mountain climbing expert. I never climbed like mountains before, so this is my first time. So yeah, exciting video coming up, and then I really can't wait for Wednesday to be here. I'm not sure really if I mentioned this in the vlog before, but then I haven't mentioned, and you have no idea what I'm talking about, why I'm buying all of this. I'm just gonna say right now, I'm climbing Mount Kinabalu on 10th of July 2019 with two of my other friends, and you will know this 10th of July, which is 2 days from now. Yeah, you get to meet them. I won't be posting on that day definitely, because I'm not gonna bring my laptop up there. Come on, common sense. But yeah, you will know them on the 11th or 12th of July after I'm done editing, or if I'm too tired from the trip, then yeah, you see when it's up. So yeah, it's my first time climbing up the mountain, and really excited to do that on my birthday month. So I got all of these gears just to be safe, because it's my first time, and then I can still use them after the first trip. I would definitely say that I will definitely do it a second time, or probably climb some other mountains, or like go for an adventure when I got all of these gears. So it's not like a one-time thing. Yeah, so that's what I thought of when it comes to buying all of these. So yeah, really cool stuff. Really enjoyed it today. Really enjoyed shopping with my mom. My mom was mind blown of the stuff that I bought. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I hope I didn't scare you when it comes to climbing like Mount Kinabalu, like the cost and everything. I hope this won't discourage you from climbing the mountain, because I was saying everyone deserves to have their chance to climb the mountain if they wanted to. Yeah, so don't get discouraged for me. I'm not a climbing expert, like I said. I'm just letting you know that one that I bought today for the journey, and then I'll probably make another video about the essential gears for hiking up Mount Kinabalu. What you should bring, what you shouldn't bring, what to expect, and then whatsoever. So yeah, it's gonna be exciting. Can't wait to do that video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow.